science experiment on eggs with my brother.
Yay! We're gonna make bouncy eggs.
Yeah, so basically what happens is when you drop the eggs in the vinegar, it turns into jelly. Yeah, vinegar.
Like the vinegar's acidic properties that melt off the eggshell, leaving just the film inside of it.
Which makes it squishy and easily poppable.
Well, it doesn't make it squishy, it just reveals the inner egg. I hope that's
The baby!
Hopefully not. No, but yeah,
no.
that's I hope that's how it works. Yeah, let's do this. But these are real eggs.
No.
Prove it.
Okay.
Oh Lord.
See? It's a real egg.
Touching the egg. Ah, no!
They're real.
No!
They're real eggs.
No! Picking it up.
I broke the yolk. Ah, God, no! Why? Why?
No!
Oh.
We're on.
Oh no. Okay, so we're gonna start. We need vinegar. No, vinegar. Yes, vinegar.
That's good.
We're going to take the vinegar and
Cracked.
take the eggs
Whoops, it cracked.
and then put it in
I didn't
the
want to
vinegar.
touch the vinegar. But
And then put it in the vinegar. And now
we wait.
we wait.
3 days later.
We've had a mishap.
You probably saw it, but I'm just gonna.
Oh, you stabbed the yolk and nothing happened. Wait, I want to do that.
But there we go.
Let me do that.
It popped, kind of.
Yeah! What?
Yeah, it doesn't properly do anything because of the egg whites. The egg whites are like jelly.
This is the skin. You know what it's like? It's like a rubber balloon. Anyways, let's cut the egg.
Can I cut the egg?
You can cut the egg.
I do it like that?
Yes. Stab it.
Stab it.
Oh, the skin went under. Wait, I can get it. I can get it. I can get it.
There we go. I got it. Can I pick it up?
Grab it.
Alright.
Here.
Whoa!
Show the people.
Ew!
It didn't even break.
Ew! I can't.
I can. Let me.
No, like, I can't describe what it feels like.
Ooh, ew. It's like
This is better.
soft.
I felt something like this before. Like slime.
It's like, yeah, slime, but not. And I like it.
This is absolutely disgusting. You
We're
know
gonna
that,
get
right?
salmonella.
No.
Only if we eat it. Let's not eat it.
Whoa.
But yeah, this is cool.
Ah!
So yeah, we dipped eggs in vinegar for 72 hours because we forgot them yesterday. And
Well, somebody did. I didn't. I kept asking, can we do the video? Can we do the video? But
let's not talk about that.
we also did an extra experiment with just the yolk. So we'll take them out now and see if they're squishy.
Definitely lighter than
Yours is cracked as well. Oh, it comes off a lot easier than I expected. I'll take the yolk out. Oh, no, it popped.
Now it's just sad. So that experiment failed. Now we need to put the eggs in warm water so the shell comes off. So you just like rub it until the shell is gone.
Yeah, it takes a while since you need to be extra careful. Yeah, so here it is.
Jiggly boy.
Squishy! I'll do the next one as well. Oh, look at the phone. Careful.
You missed the spot.
And it comes right off. It feels like salt, kind of. Yeah, it feels grainy.
Were you expecting much to happen with this experiment? It's
No,
bouncy
but yours
egg.
looks different than mine. This is a lot squishier.
Give me.
There you go. This one's softer.
I want to just like squeeze it until it pops. Yeah.
Probably shouldn't.
I want to. I'm gonna do
No, stop.
this egg. We did the egg experiment. Yeah, it was cool. We broke 2 eggs on accident.
Look at this
We
thing.
popped a yolk like a water balloon. I hope you enjoyed. Please do leave a like and subscribe for more videos or weird sciencey stuff. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.